Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's free Publicity Friday PR Tip. This week I want to know if you are socially listening. You're thinking, what is that? And I'm going to tell you that in a minute. But first, I'd love for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get these videos consistently before I notify you that they're there. You'll get a little alert. So make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe. And now back to social listening. It's really important that we know what's going on online related to our industry when it comes to what you want to pitch the media. So pay attention to search hashtags that are relevant and related to your industry and see what people are talking about. It's a great way to give you ideas of media pitches, especially if you find posts that have tons of engagement. You know, lots of people talking about that. You could even add that in your pitch when you send it in that, hey, this is buzzing online. This would be a great idea. So listen to the conversation. We all have these great ideas. I do this too, like, oh, I think this would be perfect. But if people aren't talking about it, people might not listen. So I want you to socially listen and pay attention. And if you like this tip, if you'd like to get this media up to another level, check out our event that we do twice a year at getprfamous.com. We actually get stuff done at the event. We pitch the media, we write video scripts, we film videos, we bring journalists in, we pitch right then and there. And if you want to be a VIP, we actually take you into a television studio. We film an interview with you. You work with our fashion stylist who goes through your closet and picks out exactly what you should wear to elevate your expertise and really your credibility. It's just absolutely amazing. And we also guarantee media placements, which is super exciting. So check that out, Get PR Famous, and I cannot wait to see you in the media.